My name is Yunus Abbas. I graduated from Federal Polytechnic Nasarawa. I studied physics and electronics. My experience in Amada camp, the first time when I come here, was so difficult to admit to the systems. But after some time, we try our best and admit to it. We are happy now, here we are. I actually joined ICT because I love ICT a lot because it's one of the best, let me say, side so far. I was taught about, let me say, graphic design, and mostly especially about Canva and Pixel Lab. And the tutor taught us well. My plan after camp is I want to really go deeply into the system so that I will learn a lot. After that, I will be able to start on my own. I will advise them that whenever they come to this camp or whenever they come to camp, they should try and engage themselves in, let me say, side activity because it's really important.